Welcome back to My Espresso. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to access premium subscriptions. To access the premium subscription screen, tap the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Tap Premium. And here are the different options for becoming a premium user. My Espresso offers both a monthly and annual subscription plan. When you subscribe, you'll have access to unlimited recipes, equipment, and features in My Espresso. Once subscribed, you'll be able to cancel at any time. Just keep in mind that once you're a free user, you won't have access to all the features that My Espresso has to offer. To subscribe, simply choose the plan for you and click the green button. Sign in with your App Store or Play Store ID and follow the prompts. Next time you log in, this screen will say that you are already a premium user. By subscribing, you won't just unlock premium features and unlimited recipes, but you'll also be directly contributing to the improvement and development of the app. This allows us to bring even more valuable features in the future. For those who have subscribed already, we'd like to say thank you for supporting My Espresso. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying My Espresso, be sure to like and subscribe to our other content on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.